This video outlines a strategic blueprint for operationalizing organizational thriving, helping organizations move beyond reactive compliance toward a proactive, flourishing state. We are escaping the fragility of the compliance trap. Unlike compliance driven by fear, organizational thriving is driven by vitality and cognitive learning. Thriving employees demonstrate 16% better job performance and 125% less burnout. The community actualization spectrum helps in diagnosing culture. Organizations can range from exclusion to compliance, or reach the target state of responsive and thriving. This involves shifting power dynamics, policies, and decision-making. Our layered data approach builds an organizational nervous system. Electronic dashboards offer agility, capturing pulse survey data and leading indicators. Formal reports provide accountability, capturing deep dive analyses and year-over-year trends for executives and boards. The blueprint involves 6 phases of organizational transformation: baseline assessment, goal setting, organization thriving diagnostic review, a 28-day implementation cycle, leadership training and staff communication, and thriving talent search and recruitment. Phase 1, baseline assessment and organizational alignment. The objective is to establish baseline alignment and identify the gap between executive perception and staff reality. Key deliverables include the Perception Gap Summary Report and an Organizational Thriving Framework Deck. Phase 2 focuses on goal setting and foundational trust building. We establish psychological safety and translate executive aspirations into systemic objectives using cross-functional co-creation sessions. Deliverables include a co-created Thriving Charter and department-level strategic objectives. Phase 3, the Organization Thriving Diagnostic Review. This involves a rigorous mixed methods audit to isolate systemic bottlenecks. We deploy deep dive assessments, synthesize qualitative data, and conduct 360-degree multi-rater evaluations. Key deliverables are the Thriving Heat Map and a diagnostic report. Phase 4 is the 28-day Thriving implementation cycle. This cycle moves from pulse surveys to rapid data review, then Thrive Talks, and finally action planning. Deliverables include a monthly pulse dashboard and department action trackers. Phase 5 focuses on leadership training and transparent communication. We transition leaders from managers of compliance to facilitators of belonging through cohort-based workshops. Key deliverables are the Facilitator of Belonging Playbook and a transparent communication framework. Phase 6 addresses thriving talent search and recruitment. The objective is to remove systemic barriers from the talent pipeline. We audit job descriptions and redesign onboarding to prioritize deep community integration. Deliverables include barrier-free job description templates and standardized interview rubrics. The continuous loop prevents inaction fatigue. This 14-day response engine operates by asking for decentralized insights, analyzing findings transparently, and acting by executing immediate, localized micro-pivots. The result is a public accountability model that solidifies a regenerative culture. Tangible outcomes and ROI are delivered across all phases. These range from diagnostic reports like the Perception Gap Report to strategic charters such as the Thriving Charter and operational tools like Pulse Dashboards and the Belonging Playbook. Cultivating an ecosystem of excellence means designing a thriving workplace as a daily operational standard. By shifting from reactive compliance to a proactive, continuous listening architecture, organizations build a resilient nervous system that drives sustainable performance. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact Dr. Kurt Love via the provided contact details to initiate an engagement.